structure which are placed under the ocean so that it produces current from the ocean currents that are prevailing inside the oceans. Yes, how it works. When ocean currents pass through the cylinders, the cylinders start moving up and down the magnets so that a current is produced and it is a direct current. The direct current is taken and it is converted as AC current so that it is used for regular purposes. Can we use this in India? India has a very long coastal bay. Yes. This picture proves that there is a flow of ocean currents through coastal regions that are near India. We can implement this energy so that our electricity problem is reduced to a much percentage. This picture proves the ocean currents all over the world. Through this, we can able to at least draw 0.1% of the energy. We can solve the current problem for 50,000 people. This is the best way to overcome the electricity crisis.
Let us see about McGinn, the most cost-effective wind turbine. Maybe it is new to hear the word McGinn. It is nothing but a